Your vinyl deserves better. Record storage and display options out there, well, they kinda suck. It's all particle board cubes, glorified stackable milk crates, or multi-$1,000 consoles. It's almost all low to the ground, leaving you crouching or sitting on the floor every time you want to throw something on. We want something better. Introducing Deep Cut. We've designed a better way to store and display vinyl, whether you're a casual listener or an avid collector. A clean, minimal design, handmade from quality hardwood materials starting with walnut and hard maple. Unlike many other options, there's no flat packing here. They're built strong and ready to install right out of the box on almost every wall type, including drywall, plaster, exposed brick, and others. We used a version of the French cleat system, meaning install is as easy as screwing a level board to the wall and dropping on the units, getting your collection up off the floor, at eye level, and in any orientation you want. Vertical, side by side, staggered, or anything your space allows for. It's easily done. Each unit holds 50 to 65 records fully loaded, and when space runs out, there's more room just a few clicks away. Buy for the collection you aspire to, or add as you go. And yes, they're designed for records, but have hundreds of other uses. Whether they're holding your treasured LP collection or something else, they'll look great doing it. Practical, well-made, beautiful, easy, scalable. That's it.
And now we need your help. We've worked through hundreds of variations and now have the design and the plan to make Deep Cut a reality. But we need to get out of the garage. With your support, we can get the tools, the space, and the materials to move into full production without sacrificing quality. Be one of our first customers and give your vinyl the home that it deserves. Help us get off the ground so we can help you get off the floor. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, y'all.